Welcome back to Next Gen Investing. It's time for FOMO. We're taking a look at Tesla, and joining us now to help break it all down is Caroline Wood, Senior Markets Correspondent. Caroline, I watch Tesla seemingly as much as anybody, and I hadn't even realized how much this stock has come back and rallied. It's so wild how much the swings are in some of these stocks, but nearly $350 a share now. Incredible comeback.
Yeah, certainly the case. Up another 3% today, up about 15% this week, 22% this month, even more if you look back to late April when it reported results, and we saw shares really first get hit and then obviously move higher on news that Elon Musk is spending less time at Doge and more time at Tesla. Tesla shares moving for could be a few reasons today. There are a few headlines to sift through. First up, there's this Reuters report that Tesla plans to begin shipping components from China to the U.S. for producing both the Cybercab and the semi-truck at the end of this month, following the truce between the U.S. and China, or this temporary slashing of tariffs. Tesla had suspended plans to ship the components after tariffs were raised to 145% on Chinese goods. So that truce could have an immediate impact on business. Reuters sources did warn, though, that the situation could still change, citing the unpredictability of President Trump. Tesla, of course, was seen as largely less impacted from those tariffs on Chinese goods, or just the trade war overall. But, you know, if you remember back in March, Elon Musk did post on X that it was important to note that Tesla was not unscathed from the tariffs, saying that the tariff impact on Tesla is still significant. So likely could be referencing those components for the Cybertruck, or I'm sorry, the Cybercab and the semi-truck. So it could be good news for the timeline there. I know that Tesla, according to Reuters, aims to start producing those in October with the goal of mass production in 2026. Then there's also some headlines out of the Financial Times that Tesla's board is looking for ways to pay Elon Musk, which we know has been a point of contention and lawsuits here. Tesla's board has formed a special committee, according to the Financial Times, to explore Musk's pay, which could lead him to being offered a new package of stock options. The committee will also explore alternative ways to compensate Musk for past work. Obviously, Musk was awarded some 300 million options in 2018, but the pay package was brought about in a Delaware court and basically was denied. So those options are worth roughly $90 billion at this point. So TBD on if Musk is actually compensated in that way or another way that the board is exploring. I think it's safe to say the pay package would likely be large. Not exactly sure just how much, but one of the reasons, to your point, of Tesla shares being higher, though, is that Tesla investors clearly are happy to hear that Elon Musk will be spending less time at Doge and more time at Tesla, and that's one of the reasons we saw shares move higher. So I think pay would obviously be pretty important to keep Musk at Tesla as well. So we'll see how this shakes out. But Tesla shares up another 3% right now in response to some of these headlines. I think it's also important to note, though, we are seeing strength for the most part in the Mag 7 today. I do see that Apple and Amazon are both modestly lower right now, but we've been seeing the tech trade certainly back in favor, which is benefiting Tesla as well.
Yeah, kind of cool to see, too. The high and the low are exactly $13 apart. 337 on the dot, 350 on the dot. We're sort of in the middle of that right now at 344. Appreciate it as always, Caroline Woods, with the insight here on Tesla.